I've got a lovely bunch of coconuts. Do-do-do-do. All of them are standing in a row. Bum, bum, bum. Big ones, small ones, some as big as your head.
Wait. I think I've done it. I think I've finally figured out a way to get us back home.
I don't know if I want to go back to Earth. After floating around for 2 months, you sort of get the hang of it.
Well, you're in luck, because I've forgotten the plan anyway. And you're making a point, floating in space is pretty neat.
You know what that would be perfect for?
The opening to the greatest Minecraft video ever.
Oh, yeah.
I float in space, staring at the world, trying to think what I can do to make a Minecraft video. It has to be the greatest of all time. It will go down sublime. So I did some research and found out why. It needs lasers and some sharks, and all the actors in the video need to have the skins of famous YouTubers. It should be the greatest of all time. Not your battle Herobrine, not so epic yet. Add Chuck Norris, then I'll go on to show you all some mods. Do a little parkour, it'd be so hardcore. Then I'll add some cinematics everywhere. You'll be blind from cool. Then I'll simply mention toast. I love toast. Then the chorus will be animated with heaps of action and creepers. Oh, so many creepers. And Herobrine will slay Chuck Norris. Explosions! Explosions! So many explosions! Big explosions! Then I'll add some supermassive builds. One will most likely be a volcano and a Roman structure. Then I'll add billions of effects, ones that don't even make sense, like this duck filter. This is how a duck sees. This will also be a snapshot video. I'll show you the new features of a secret beta. This will be the opening up of future Minecons, even the secret ones. You know, the ones that I can't tell you. But I must admit that I loved every bit of Minecraft. Every single part, the blocks, the pigs, the sheep, the cows, the reeds, the ocelots, all of them are so awesome. And I can tell the world that I'm a Minecraft nerd, and I've built every plan and been to the far land. And at the end of the day, I can simply say that the Minecraft is so awesome, with heaps of action and creepers. Oh, so many creepers. And Herobrine will slay Chuck Norris. Explosions! Explosions! So many explosions! Big explosions! Explosions! Then the video ends, and you can comprehend this awesome. It's so damn awesome. So remember to like, comment, subscribe.